This guitar is one hell of a bargain. Heavily modified headstock, painted by yours truly. It comes with a tremolo arm, my Fender plectrum. Yeah, it matches my socks. Nice. Dan Electro overdrive, Fender amp. Sound demo. Alright, let's go. Sonic Squire Strat, $149.99 in most retailers. Yo. Maybe that should stay like that. See if the sound, if it's any good. I'm on camera on my phone. Yeah. Oh. Yo. Boom, boom, boom. I should have put the strap on there before I got it sorted out. I didn't. Yes, this guitar is very versatile. It sounds good in drop D if you like the band Tool or any of the sort of alternative metal scene. One to go for. There's not many left-handed guitars that Squire really put out. I tried to get a Jazzmaster, but it's out of production now, so hey ho. Hey ho. Oh, oh my god. Sweet. Sorry about the delay. Lucia's jacket's actually working. It's not the guitar, it's the lead. We hope. Pick me, yeah. Let it on signal. At least, yeah. You can be my hero. Pick me, yeah. Let it on signal. At least, yeah. You can even play that. Kiss, yeah. Let it on signal. At least, yeah. Everyone is waiting. Pick me, yeah. Let it on signal. At least, yeah. I'm real good at hating. Down, That's the Fender Squire Sonic Stratocaster, featuring